ready, I think. We do the good sits. We've been there for a decade now doing good sits. And we've just given it a bit of a twist, really. So we're doing your centre beds, we're doing the gate, we're doing your recalls, different things, different levels, but we add just a little bit of fun to it as well. So you'll see by our first one. We've got a couple of novices with us, so cross your fingers for us. And Marmy's back for the 3rd year and final year. Last year he bolted, so good luck. Okay guys, I'm ready when you are. So this is Candice for the German Shepherd, Cross Collie. There's Dan and Lola. Dan's one of our novices, so bear with him. That's the Shepherd Husky Cross. Alistair with a Papa Jack, fingers crossed we called him. Leslie and Annie with a Golden Retriever. She's out there smiling. Marie and Sir Henry. You'll see Marie, she don't walk like that normally. She had a skiing accident. No, she said that, I just think she was at the bar. And we've got Eddie, one of our youngest competitors. These are all Gold Plus dogs. So this is as you see your gait. And last but not least, it's Lisa with a little Shih Tzu. So that's how you do your gait normally. There's Candice and Lex, and then Lex is quite a nervous dog. So right, this is where we bank on Marmy. He's a good boy. If you can see little Millie's hidden at the back.
Out the way, Tom.
Lisa came to me 2 years ago, first ever dog. I've not a clue what I'm doing, I need your help. And now she's ended up at Crufts 2 years later. Poor little Millie left out on her own. Here she is, bless her. Okay, we've had a bit of fun with the gate. There you go. Millie shuts the gate. Okay, so that's your bronze gate. I'll leave my girls, they'll tell me off if I start moving things. Go. Sorry. Right, okie dokie. Next up, you've got distance control. You teach your dogs like to sit, stand and down. We just make them work a little bit harder, really. So we've gone past the sit, stand and down. So we try a send away as well. Leading us out should be Eddie with Max.
Tom, get out the...
The hunt away's going to be sent the furthest away. And little Millie's the shortest. So they should send them away. Sit them. Sit them. Now it's down to Sir Henry. He's thinking about it. Yeah, he's a good boy. Henry's fell asleep. He'll get there. There he goes. And there you go. See how they're all focused on their owners? It took us 2 years to get Millie to focus on her owner. Good. Smile, girls. Smile, come on. Now one of our... Right, now we're on our centre bed. These are my girls working it out. I used to help them get in the way, so they told me to leave it alone. Okay, so now it's a centre bed, as you guys would do. Obviously, normally 10 paces, but we're restricted today. Karen, straighten that one up. Jane, letting us down. Okay, guys. It's Leslie going up first. Candice with Lexa. Lisa with Millie. And God help me, everybody. It's Matt. It's Marmy. So we send them around, send them away, send them to their beds. Normally get a bark from Lex, but that's really good. Ah, there we go. There we go. A little Millie. Off and round to her bed. There we go. Cross your fingers, guys. There he goes. Look out. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Well done. So that's our version of send to bed. Well done, guys. Alistair, well done, mate. Okay, now it's your food control. We're crossing our fingers on this one because there is nice treats in there, sardines and liver. And if you notice the footwork with the girls, they're in a pattern now, look out. So this is our version of food control, but you'll see how we start off, and I'll explain as we go. Right, the first to go, Leslie. Now she's dreading this. I'm going to tell everybody, Leslie. Annie, this is her nemesis. She's looking at everything. Look out! Oh, she's relieved now. So that's our send away, and our food control, and our stop the dog in between the treats. And you know what hoovers these dogs are. Right. Now we're trusting to luck. This is I don't know. We're going to give it a try, aren't we? With fingers crossed. Watch her. Watch her head. I'm looking at everything. Oh, yes! Oh, yes! She couldn't resist. She couldn't resist. Well done, well repaired. You can't. That's well done. Come on, bounce her back. Come on. Cooler. Every cooler. Yes! Well done. Brilliant. Wow. That was excellent. So now you remember, you guys, you know, this leave your food manners. Well, this is how we start off. So this is Dan with Lola. He's one of our newest members. So as you remember, you teach your dog to leave, your reward, Dan, your reward. Where's your reward? Now it's off lead. We go to off lead. That's as far as we get. Don't leave your dog behind, Dad. Well done. Good lad. You've got to remember, this dog's only 2 years old as well. It's his baby. So then we go from that to almost that. Eddie, move in closer. Try again, please. Lovely. Now use your dog. You can do this. There you go. Well done. Well done. And Candice with Lexa. There you go. And there is food in there. So these two youngsters, they've worked hard to get this far. Well done, guys. That was lovely.
Attention please. Judging of mastiffs will commence in minute 28 in hall 5.
Okay. Now this is I was going to say Eddie the Eagle, but I don't think she got that right. This is Candice and her mum. Now they're going to stop their dogs, hopefully, on their way to food. And I say hopefully, because we're not sure. Give it a shot. I'm amazed that dog heard you from there. me. Reward your dog, please. Well, speak up. Tannoy noise. We'll try it again. Speak up, Marie, and go. It's better. And they should return to their side. She'll come back. There they go. Oops. Keep going, wait, stop for it, wait, go. Get ready. Okay, so, now we've got one of the naughty dogs. So we're going to send her and hopefully she can shout loud, I know she can. My God, she did it. First ever dog, 2 years old, well done. Really good, well done. Right, okay, this is now the dreaded bit. As a commentator, as a trainer, I think, oh dear, it's Marmee. Now, even the weights are a task with Alistair. We're going to... He's still trying. Don't you let him go. Is that it? Is that it? There he goes. Lovely recall, Alistair. Right, these are different positions now. We're coming to sit down and stand, I believe. Yes, yeah. So front dog should do a down, sit in the middle and a stand at the back. So we're hoping this works. It's something we practice a bit, but it's like Lisa's lost her dog. Now they've had to slow down the walk because Marie can't walk very fast. So if you see them walking very slowly, that's the reason why. That's the fastest Marie can go. We tried to get her to run, but she won't do it. So the dogs should stay where they are and they should pick up when their handlers return.
Attention please. Judging the smooth pulse.
Good, well done guys. Well done. Well done. Good, good. Really good, well done guys. Leslie, well done. Keep smiling. Okay, so final display now, final bit of our display. All it is really is this is practicing your sits, your recalls, your walk into heel. So as you notice, some dogs are on the lead, some are off the lead. We don't trust Millie. And we certainly don't trust Marmee. I have to keep giving them a telling off at club. That's pretty good, guys. So they should leave their dogs, hopefully. And recall one at a time. One. Dog should hold. Now it's Dan's first time. And then he was sprung upon him to get here to help us. And Marmee, I can't believe Marmee. He's drugged him, he must have drugged him. Well done, guys. Round you go, let's see. Get your wave in. Off you go, team. Well done, thank you very much. Thank you for your time. We're back on again once more this afternoon. But, you know, it's hard work for these guys. So we the last bit, we get them to run round, go past the bollard and join them. They're off leads and everything. And, you know, we just want them to have some fun. Go on, Leslie, get out there. That's the way. This is where we want them to unwind and enjoy themselves. Look at little Millie. Yeah, she has to run. You've had it. You can't run. And then last but not least, Marmy. This is his last year as well. There he goes. Good boy, Marmy. Thank you very much.